Hello guys, and welcome to another day with ZIMALETA. In today's video, I want to do a little unboxing for you guys. Before we begin, I want to say this is for staying organized. If you're traveling like me, I think it's going to be really important. One of the companies reached out to me, and the company's name is Space Aston. I'm going to link him in the description below. And they've sent me an organizer in this box. So let's get it open and let's see how it's going to work for actually expediting type of lifestyle, because technically it is designed for trunks of cars. But I kind of thought, you know what, I was going to try to make a trunk type of organizer for it. Let's see, what's this here? Probably some information from them. This is what kind of like what it looks like right here, and you could see it's Space Aston right there. So let's open it up really quick. They packaged it up pretty nice in here to make it very clean, I guess, once it's transporting. And there it is right there. So what I'm going to try to do is I'm going to set it up over here. I guess it's really easy to set up. You just pull it apart and boom. I wanted to kind of like set it on the seat and see if this is going to be like a good way for us to organize stuff when we're traveling, because one of the biggest things that I get for myself, because I'm always traveling like with camera gear and stuff, you know, for YouTube and things of that nature. I got cables, I got, you know, like boxes and, you know, cameras and stuff, and I'm always utilizing my seat over here. The box here. What I found over here is these clippity things. I guess it's to make it smaller. And you also got one on the end, so when you fold it up, you could just click it together right there and kind of like keep it like a bag. What's cool is, guys, you can put your stuff and pick it up and actually carry it. Like, that's a really good idea, I think. I totally did not expect this. So I guess potentially it could become like your laptop bag or like iPad, iPod, or some accessories and stuff like that. Once again, this is Space Aston. So let's unfold it and see if we can use it here. It looks like it fits on a seat perfectly up to your door type of panel right there once it's stretched out. It does have like these you know, type of compartments. You could actually remove it, and there you go. Looks like this portion is sewed in, but you could kind of separate it over here. This is going to be good for any kind of groceries, you know, food, anything you're traveling with. We're actually going to use it for a lot of GoPro products and things like mics and whatnot. We're actually going to see if we could actually organize it in here. I have, like, you know, the micro SD card. We have the converter for the 3.5 millimeter mic adapter, so we could actually use the Rode microphone. Stick that on top. Got the battery chargers here, a microphone. This is a Rode mic. I'll do you know, like unboxings for this as well. And we're pretty much packaged everything up. Everything's in there like that. Of course, I'm not gonna put the bag in here like that, but you get the point. My GoPro accessories tucked away very nicely in this Aston. Thank you so much for sending this to me. This is going to work very well for all the filmmaking, what I do every single day. You buy like food or something and it's in boxes, pretty much this is how it's gonna look like. You could just put all your food in here because it is an organizer, or you could put like cleaners and whatnot in your trunk, you know, whatever you have. I think it's going to be pretty handy for that. Thank you guys so much for watching, and if your company want to send me something too, you could look at the description below. I have an email there, you could contact me, and I have a PO box as well. So thank you so much, Space Aston, for sending this to me. This is actually going to work really nicely for what I actually do. I was going to try to unbox this and stick this in the trunk for a very typical setup, but since I know a lot of drivers like me that travel, it's important to keep your things over here kind of like nicely tucked away like I have. Click on the link in the description below if you want to actually check this thing out.
My name is Serge ZIMALETA. I'm 37 years old, and yes, I experienced success after buying my first home for cash. Back in 2011, I was broke, but I learned to solve problems on my own. Now I'm helping others to solve their problems. I know what pitfalls to avoid to stay profitable in business. Need motivation to be more successful in your life? Do you have Sprinter, Expedite, or business problems? Then subscribe. Let's find creative solutions to your problems. Hit the bell notification so you don't miss any of my helpful videos.